This video will show you how to install and set up the SONOFF Zigbee Thermostatic Radiator Valve TRV Gen 2. Inside the package, you'll find 6 adapters for different valve connections, the TRV Gen 2, a quick guide, and installation instructions. First, rotate the battery cover in the indicated direction to open it. Open the eWeLink app and scan the QR code on the device. Then, remove the battery insulation tab to power on the device. Once powered on, the screen will display Setup. Double-press the center button to rotate the screen orientation by 90 degrees. First, remove your existing thermostatic radiator valve head. Check whether your valve connection is M30 by 1.5 millimeters. If your valve connection is not M30 by 1.5 millimeters, install the appropriate adapter onto the valve first. For more information, please refer to the quick guide and user manual. Align the battery base with the valve, making sure the valve pin is centered. Hold the base firmly and rotate the metal locking ring clockwise until securely tightened. Align the TRV Gen 2 with the base, press it straight down, and gently rotate it clockwise to lock it into place. Give the device a gentle shake to make sure it is securely attached with no looseness or gaps. Once firmly installed, press the center button to start calibration. The device will begin calibrating to the valve. The TRV Gen 2 features auto mode and manual mode. Short press the center button to switch between these two modes. In manual mode, rotate the dial to lower the set temperature until the screen displays off. Then, press and hold the center button for 2 seconds. Check that the connection icon is flashing. The TRV Gen 2 supports 2 pairing methods, Zigbee Pairing and BLE Pairing. For the best experience, Zigbee Pairing is recommended. Open the eWeLink app, select Zigbee Pairing, and choose your Zigbee gateway. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. Once connected to a compatible Zigbee gateway, you can access more features, including remote control, remote temperature source, and other functions. Next, BLE Pairing. Once the device enters pairing mode, open the eWeLink app and select BLE Pairing. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. With BLE Pairing, you can connect the TRV Gen 2 directly to the eWeLink app without a Zigbee gateway. This is suitable for basic local control and device setup. If a wrench icon appears on the screen, it means the device has not been installed correctly on the valve. First, you can try calibrating the device in the eWeLink app. If calibration fails, restart the device and reinstall it on the valve. Remove and reinstall the batteries to restart the device. First, push the metal battery contact outward to release it from the clip. Next, lift the metal contact upward to open the battery compartment. Then, press the metal contact back down to close the battery compartment. The device will restart automatically. To replace the batteries, repeat the steps above to open the battery compartment. Remove the old batteries and install the new ones according to the positive and negative polarity markings on the metal contacts. Then, press the metal contact back down to secure the batteries. Repeat the installation steps above. The TRV Gen 2 supports a temporary timer mode. When activated, the device will maintain the set temperature for the selected period of time. After the timer ends, the device automatically returns to the previous mode and temperature setting. Temporary timer mode can only be activated through the eWeLink app. You can also double-press the center button to rotate the screen clockwise by 90 degrees. For maintenance, the device automatically performs a weekly anti-scale routine every Monday at 12 p.m. to help prevent the valve from becoming stuck due to scale buildup. During this process, Calibrate will appear on the screen.